Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. Welcome to back my YouTube channel Trendy Pattern Design. Today I am going to show you some beautiful crochet sweater design for girls. These sweaters are soft, stylish and made with lots of love. Crochet girl sweaters are special because they are handmade. Every stitch is done with care and that what make each piece one of a kind. There are many designs, some are light and simple, while others have cute patterns, button or flower that make them look extra lovely. Each design has its own charm. The colors make them even prettier. Soft colors like pink, white, black, and cream color give a sweet and gentle look, while bright colors like red, purple, or yellow make the sweater stand out. Sometimes two or their shades color or the mix it together to create a fun and colorful design. These crochet sweaters are perfect for both daily wear and special occasions. They keep girls warm and comfortable, and at the same time they look super cute and fashionable. The best thing about handmade crochet sweater is that they last of a long time. With a little care, they stay soft, warm, and beautiful of the year. If you see any design in this video that you will can tell me in the comments box. I can also make the same design for you if you want. So if you want something cozy, beautiful and handmade with love, crochet girl sweater are the perfect choice. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Trendy Pattern Design for more videos, crochet ideas and creative design. Press the bell icon button so you never miss any my new video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.